Yo, what's up everyone? I'm back again. I know I haven't been on the channel too much, but I have recently been doing a lot of overseas collabs and I've been working a lot on music. So I haven't been able to do much in my reactions, but I'm going to constantly try to build my reaction channel. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. This song I recently did with Huab Vwj from Laos. I believe that's where she's from. I'm really happy that I got the chance to do this because, you know, as Hmong artists and artists from overseas, it's always good to bridge that gap so that we can all get to experience how everyone sounds and how everyone works, you know? So I got really excited to do this, and I'm so thankful for one of my brothers that helped hooked us up and was able to help us make this happen. And shout out to my brother Jania. He was the one that shot my scenes. And I understand that, you know, when they work and the way they do things is different from how we do things. So it was really hard to get that all together. But at the end, everything turned out great. I enjoyed it. And I'm sure she enjoyed it too. So let's do a reaction video to it. Yeah. They blended really well though. And obviously I shot this during the winter time, so. Nice, nice. Hold up, I need to turn this louder. Oh, it's already, okay. He did some really good camera work on her though. I like how they like have a pathway too, like how my scene was, so that's dope. She killed it too, man. I like that. Baby. Oh shit, we do the same thing. Yeah. So for a lot of the supporters and a lot of the fans who asked why I didn't rap, I would love to rap with her. We're actually going to be doing more songs than this. This song specifically that we did was definitely for one of my brothers who runs another label of, he promotes all of the beautiful Hmong artists from Laos. And he asked me to do this for him, and he also asked her to do it. So we pretty much got together and contacted each other, and she was already laying out the song. So when she sent it to me, it was already pretty much verse, and then the chorus were open, and then verse, and then chorus. So that's probably, so that's why I ended up singing just the chorus, because she had already covered everything else. But in the future, when I make my song with her personally, I'm going to definitely try to give you guys what you want. Yeah. Itu nengo jaliku. Tới thầu vô tới thầu trò nha. Wow, they blended it very well. And they were the ones who edited my vocals too, but they blended it very well. I like it. When she starts rapping like this, she's a beast, man. Hey. Có biết sai kia luôn để đây đã em vẫn sau có dia. I love that. I love her background vocals. Itu nengo joliku. Itu nengo mokido. Itu nengo yuchipo. Kila latu. Kila la moka tu kila kumo. I love the switch back and forth. Looks like we're two depressed ass people from two different sides of the world. You only challenge Tsis Txaus. Yeah. Con Yoko, hey babe. I love it. I love how she fills in for the end. So originally the ending just ends with me where I'm like, hey con Yoko. Hey con Yoko, hey babe. And then it goes, hey con Yoko. Hey con Yoko. And then I go, yeah. But then I love how, you know, when they edited the vocals, they kind of made it like a call and response. So that's really dope. That's cool how they ended it. Oh, and that's it. I talk too much. Awesome. But thank you guys for tuning in. Just know that I'll be doing more of these, and I'll definitely be looking at other Hmong music, other new songs that come out. I'm a huge fan of everything, so look forward to all of that. And also, I'll be doing more songs with Huab soon, man. So you guys will see. Peace.